States we say, how are you? In China we say, ni hao ma. In Brazil we say, tudo bem. In South Africa we say, how's it? In France we say, ça va. In Japan we say, o genki desu ka. In Nigeria we say, how far? In Australia we say, how you go? In India we say, aka. Say hi. In Germany we say, wie geht's? In Mexico we say, ¿cómo estás? In Egypt we say, Isaiah. In Argentina we say, ¿cómo estás? In Canada we say, how's it going? In Italy we say, come stay. In Kenya we say, habariago. In South Korea we say, Dalgines yo yo. In Spain we say, hey time. In Morocco we say, lavas. In Thailand we say, sabagi. In New Zealand we say, how's it going? In Turkey we say, that's so sun. In Ghana we say, Etisen. In Indonesia we say, apakawa. In United Kingdom we say, you alright. In Colombia we say, como vas? In Saudi Arabia we say, hey mahalo. In Tanzania we say, habari. In Switzerland we say, amigos. In Fiji we say, hola kakachao. In Uganda we say, oliotia. In Senegal we say, nangade. In Vietnam we say, banque home. In Philippines we say, kamustaga. In Portugal we say, como estas? In Greece we say, Ikanes. In Jamaica we say, guagua. In Costa Rica we say, como estas? In Peru we say, como estas? In Chile we say, como va? In Samoa we say, in Papua New Guinea we say, you alright. In Rwanda we say, amakuru. In Nepal we say, Timilai, Kastocha.